Doon na lang tayo.
Hey, where are, ano? Okay. Breakfast 7.
7 o'clock. 7:30 na lang.
Okay.
Please press the button for the desired floor.
What is that?
That.
What?
That's
Ah, they are teaching you. Where's that baby? The baby one.
Go look, oh, you have to cut your nail.
me
You got boo again.
Okay,
Eh?
go.
Wala po ako dalawa.
You forgot.
Can you find
You
643?
forgot.
643.
Wow, find our room gone. Give.
Dito yan.
If you are, ano, smart, find your room.
There's so many.
Nang number tam? 643.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Find your room. 680.
No.
32.
No.
Sige, give.
No. Where is it?
642 give.
No.
640 give. Okay, here we are.
It looks good.
Here we are.
Ay,
Nice.
there's no bathtub.
There's no bathtub, agad.
Kanina niya ba ako binubuisit?
Oh, go to Hilton Hotel.
Go din.
Hilton Hotel, ano, dalawa yung bathtub nila. Gandang ano, bathtub din. Gusto nila ng bathtub talaga, nasanay na sila sa bathtub. Pangayarte.
You ready to the floor? Oh, tara, let's go. You want to rest first or you will go to kids' corner?
O, tara na. O, kids corner, come. Don't touch that.
Bag mo na pala.
Nasaan na? Hindi pa dumarating?
We have to wait, ganon.
I want to play.
So, dear Dr. Magtota, mabuhay.
Here, this
Mabuhay.
Your bed.
close to here. Yeah.
Let's gonna sleep with Muma.
Yeah.
Or me.
Because I want to hug you, ano, very, very tight. I will hug you, ano, and kiss you, and
No, that's
I want to play with you.
I like playing.
so many
You will not play?
I want to play.
Ano yung, ano?
that's so
Is this?
Ay, that's the, ano, parang ano lang.
Is that the kids?
Where is the, ano, where's the swimming pool? Sa taas din siya. Where is the Mall of Asia there?
Why is there no swimming pool?
Swimming pool, upstairs.
Wala yung pingkaya. Muna na ako. Pantunan doon ako. Sige, sige.
Okay, pupuntahan lang kami sa
11th floor.
11th floor.
6th floor kayo. Okay ah.
I think this is yung part.
Ito.
Wow, God, look how stickies.
Hey.
What is this like?
Ganyan nyo muna yung mga gamit, no? Yung kids corner hanggang 7 o'clock lang.
Whoopsie.
Ano lang oras ba?
Hey,
6:30 na, 7 o'clock.
in house.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow na, no?
Do you want to go to kids corner?
Yes.
Ha? Do you want to play? Hey, kids. Gun, do you want to play? No, I am asking you, do you want to go to... oh, kamukhang niya si, ano yan, Jet Li. Do you want to go to kids corner?
Yes, I want to go there.
Why?
Let's jump in the bed.
No.
Jump in the
Here you go.
Here we go. Here we go again. Yung sinuklayan niya ako, tapos nung suklay lang, sabi niya, okay, done.
Nagtutur siya. This is the bathroom.
Sige, tour mo ba?
Gone, room tour. You do the
Room tour, okay.
Hey, what's
You
this?
do the room tour. Give. Yes, that's just a stopper.
No, I want gun.
Gone, you do the room tour. Here's the bathroom. You do the room tour.
Hi, Mommy.
What is
I'm outside. I'm so bad to the
Kailangan kitang
Ha?
Kailangan kitang jacket.
Kaya nga, ako din, nilalamig na ako bago ako pumunta doon.
What do this room? I can.
Okay, fine. There's a flash only. Can you see there's no bidet? That's where the bidet is.
Ang cute nito, gusto ko siya. Simple. Oh, yung ano niya.
Do this room.
Meron naman siyang ano, alam mo naman ako. Oh. Ayan. May, ano, bakit ang init ng ano nila? What is that? Ha? Remote?
Ay, that's the soap.
This is for you, Gon and Gibo. You have ano.
These are glass. Look up. Hungry candy, hungry doom.
Ay, bahala kayo dyan. Ako makakiga na. Sige, mag-topic ka. Hi, contest. Matutod ka, no?
Oh, you sleep na.
Let's jump in the toilet.
We're gonna jump on the toilet. No,
Jump on the toilet. Ay, Gib, can you put my bag on the table?
Papa, look at this.
Gone. Gone.
I told you, you were
I-
laying down on the carpet where there are poops and step, and then you're gonna lay down on the bed. That's what I'm talking about a while ago. Diba?
But it's not true. Look up. It's clean.
It's clean, but people step on it.
How do we turn on the TV?
No, later.
It's already turned na.
Later.
Turn on the TV, turn on the TV.
No, later.
The bundes.
Picture kita.
Bakit?
Ating may pipicturein ako doon.
Let's go.
Nandiyan na yung gamit, hey.
Go.
Because I want to...
We're going to...
Siya rin pala yung kumuha kanina.
Where did I put the lid?
Here.
Okay, baby.
Kaya niya narinig yun.
Okay, baby. Hey, wait.
Wait lang po. Guys, come here. Di baby yan. Gib, come here, Gib.
Okay, baby. Okay, baby. Okay, baby.
Siguro sinasabi sa kanila, okay, baby.
Okay,
Cha.
baby.
Okay, I will just.
Wow, Kyle.
I'll just put there.
What letter is that? Sige, okay lang. You might call.
One.
Told you.
Then last one na po yun.
One.
Ito na po.
Okay, okay. Ay, give. Do your assignment. Pumunta ng hotel para lang gumawa ng assignment.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Increase and concerns lang, just dial 0 po.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Hey, do you have assignment? Yung pumunta lang siya ng hotel para gawin niya yung assignment. Oh, let's go. Oh, Joy, ikip may tang kaya, Joy. Di ba ang pogi niya? Ay, give. Don't touch that.
Does it do it?
I don't. Oh. Let's go to the kids' corner. Downstairs or upstairs?
Give.
Laka.
Okay.